Today, my wife and I visited a very interesting factory here in Suzhou, China. The company specializes in low-temperature industrial wastewater evaporation and crystallization systems. Equipment designed to help factories recycle water, reduce hazardous waste, and meet increasingly strict environmental standards. What impressed me immediately was that this was not just a showroom. We were invited directly into the production environment itself. We walked through different stages of manufacturing, from welding and fabrication, all the way to completed systems being prepared for shipment to customers around the world.
Okay, so this one does 10 tons a day. 10 tons. This is for 30 tons. 30 tons a day.
One of the owners, Mr. Li, personally explained many aspects of the equipment and the philosophy behind their engineering process. What makes these systems particularly interesting is that they operate at low temperatures under vacuum conditions. Instead of using extremely high heat like traditional evaporation systems, they lower the boiling point of water, allowing industrial wastewater to be treated more efficiently while reducing scaling, corrosion, and energy consumption. These systems are used across a wide range of industries: automotive manufacturing, electroplating, chemical processing, pharmaceuticals, battery manufacturing, and other industrial sectors that generate difficult wastewater streams. One thing that stood out to me was the company's testing laboratory. Customers can actually send samples of their wastewater directly to the factory, where the engineering team analyzes the liquid and calibrates the machine specifically for that customer's process and environmental requirements. That changes this from simply selling equipment to solving industrial problems. Another thing I respected was their approach to long-term maintenance and after-sales support. Mr. Li explained that certain components expected to wear over time are intentionally designed to be easily accessible and replaceable for the customer. That kind of life cycle engineering matters in industrial environments because downtime can be extremely expensive.
Every machine has to be tested before delivery.
The company also has a dedicated after-sales support department, which is something many overseas buyers are concerned about when sourcing industrial equipment internationally. As we continued through the facility, it became very clear that this company had positioned itself not only as a domestic Chinese manufacturer, but as an international industrial environmental solutions provider.
Explosion proof.
We also saw references to installations and customers across multiple countries, along with partnerships involving major industrial companies. For me personally, visits like this are important because they provide a much deeper understanding of China's manufacturing ecosystem beyond what most people normally see online. A lot of the world talks about manufacturing in China, but very few people actually walk inside these factories, meet the engineers, observe production processes, and understand the technical side of what's being built here. There is an enormous amount of innovation happening between the scenes in industrial sectors like environmental engineering, automation, materials, and manufacturing infrastructure. And I think more people should see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll continue to share more factory visits, industrial technologies, and business insights from here in China very soon.